What is up, man? Back at y'all with another video, man. I want to thank y'all for tuning in to Fishing with Nate, man. Hey, man, y'all already know it's finna go down, man. We about to start this paint, man. So without further ado and all that jibber jabber and all that talking, let's get to it, man. Y'all already know. Let's get it, baby. All right, man, we here today, man. It's gonna be a quick video, man. We just taping up these compartments today, man, and getting this thing ready for getting this thing ready to be painted, man. So I'm just gonna be taping off everything and getting this thing prepared, man. So I wanted to bring y'all along for this. Something simple, man, nothing too major. Just prepping for this paint, man. Got a few things to tape up, man. Things to tape up and before we get right. All right, man, as y'all can see, man, I'm getting this thing ready for this paint, man. Got everything taped up, man. Pretty much got to take this floor up now. Got this side locker taped up, as y'all can see. Everything been smoothed out, man. Just gotta clean this thing with some, wipe it down with some denature alcohol, and we'll be good to go, man. We'll be painting this thing probably in 2 parts, cause I'm gonna knock this transom out first, man. As y'all can see, I'm gonna probably get that out. We're supposed to have rain for the rest of this week, man, but I'm gonna try to sneak it in, man. Today is Monday, so I'm gonna try to sneak that in this week, man. Supposed to have rain from Tuesday through Thursday. But in Miami, you know, you could never, it rained today and it wasn't supposed to rain. It rained this morning, man. So it's currently probably like 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now, man. And I was supposed to come over here and do this morning, man, but it was raining. But it didn't rain over here though. Where I live at, it was pouring down raining this morning, man. So, which is, you know, in the Aventura area, so shit crazy, man. But yeah, man, we getting this thing ready, man, for being taped up, and that's where we at, man. Just trying to make sure this stuff is right, man. Make sure everything is legit. So the quick little update for y'all. This thing will be ready to go this week. Lord, just give me some decent weather. Cause I'm gonna probably need a full day for this thing to completely dry once I paint it, man. So I don't want no water spots in my paint and all that, so water drips and all that, so gotta calculate this thing right, man. Getting ready to do this freaking trailer, man. So I'm about to take this floor up, man, and take this floor up, man, and then we'll be good to go, man. It'll be next video paint time, man. I'm ready to get this black on here, man. Trying to get this black on here, man. I know y'all like, man, Nate, man, we don't want to see you taping up no freaking boat. But hey, man, it's part of it. You don't do this, you ain't gonna have no good. Well, if I don't do this, then I don't have to show y'all. But if I don't do this, then I'm gonna have issues when it comes time for me to be putting my carpet down here, man. And creating more work for myself. You know, I don't have to show y'all, but you know, like I say, man, it's part of it, and why not, man? Somebody could get something from out of this. You know, if this ain't your cup of tea, then you know, this ain't the video for you, man. Somebody out there, you know, who might be doing this might want to skip this step, man, and later on down the line it's like, oh man, I didn't do my taping, I didn't do my tape job first, and you know, now I gotta do all this sanding on my floor and all this other extra crap that I gotta do. I mean, every boat gonna be different, you know, but at the end of the day, man, you still gotta tape off your stuff, man, and make sure everything gon' line up right for you. I could have just did this and just said, you know what, the hell with it, and just painted it up. Hey, man, it is what it is, and you know, and just got to it and just went to straight spraying. I had a mess going on, and when it came time for me to do my carpet, guess what? Now I got to do all this extra funny stuff. Alright, man, so this part one of the paint, man. Everything taped up. Front deck, floor deck area, front live well, back live well, front live well, side locker. Didn't tape that up yet. I ain't worrying about that right now. I will get to that and tape that one up. Yeah, man, it's paint time, man. Just wanted to film this part of it so y'all could get, you know, an idea, you know, of what I did to get this boat to what it's gonna be looking like, you know what I'm saying? So happy y'all join me, man. We out of this video right here and we'll be getting into paint, man. See y'all on the next one. All right, y'all, this the moment of truth, y'all. Cleaning this thing up with Denature alcohol, man, and we about to spray this back up, y'all. About to spray the back up. So that's that. So yeah, we got that thing sprayed down with the Denature alcohol, man. All right, man. Here we go, y'all. First little coat of this black, man. First little coat of this black, man. So I'ma just go across this, man, with a nice little layer of the black, man. And I'm gonna go across it again. I'm gonna kind of lay this thing somewhat kind of heavy on here. So if I could get me like 3 coats of this thing on here, man, at least.
Alright, man, so we got the first little coat of black on here, man. Kind of went light with that. I'm gonna go a little heavier with this second coat, man. Other than that, man, looking pretty good, man. I can kind of get an idea how that black gonna look, man. Ain't gonna be saucy. Let that sit for like 15 minutes and I'll get back to y'all on this second coat, man.
All right, man, here we go. Coat number 2, y'all. I'm gonna go a little bit heavier on this one. Hey, listen, man, y'all don't play with this Rust-Oleum 2-time black, man. This stuff come out. This paint come out smooth, man. This paint come out looking so smooth, man. I can't even cap, y'all. This thing leave a nice finish, man. This thing leaves with a nice, smooth finish, man. I can't even cap y'all for real. Not saying that it's better than that high performance, but this thing just leaves with a smooth finish, man. Super smooth. The texture of the look, man, just look. I don't know, hands down to me, man, it just looks the best. I think it's because it got this primer in here. Would give it that effect. I could be wrong, but you know, like that's just my opinion. Take much, you can do that with paint. So that's all you got. So no, you can't. But yeah, man, coming out looking pretty good so far. Second coat, man, I went a little bit heavier, so I'm gonna switch cans up, man, for that third coat. I only had a can and a half, brand new can, and then this can here that I already had, so we should be good to go. Second coat, I'm gonna let that dry up for another 15 minutes, then I'm gonna go cross it with a third coat, man, and we'll be done with the transfer, man. The thing looking good though, man. Can y'all picture the whole boat like this? All black, baby. Flat black, man. The thing go look stupid, man. Y'all lay around for it. Yeah, it's going down, baby. Yes, sir. All right, man. Quick little sit down talk with y'all, man. We got 2 coats of flat black on the transfer, man. That thing looking like it's going Looking real good back there, man. I just like to have these little brief little talks with y'all, man, here and there. I'm gonna be doing this here and there on the channel, man. Just letting y'all know what's upcoming and, you know, how things coming about, man. So, transom getting done today. We supposed to have 3 days of 90-degree weather down here without rain. So that's why I'm here today. Today is Thursday. And I'll try to be down here tomorrow and the weekend, man, to knock the top cap of this boat out, man. So that's where we at. That's what it's looking like. Trying to get this done so I could get to this trailer next. But we looking good, man, so far, man. I like the way the black laying down. And we just gonna go from there, man. So progress is being made, y'all, you know. If I miss some days or if y'all feel like, you know, the content not coming back to back, man, it's because I'm dealing with this Miami weather. Is just, it's crazy, man. It's bipolar. It could be sunny for 2-3 hours straight, and then it could just come down, pouring down, raining out of nowhere, man. And the forecast that these anchors be, you know, putting out there, like yesterday, it was supposed to rain. It did rain, but it didn't rain over here. It rained where I live at in Apertura, man. So who knows, man, with this stupid weather. So, you know, y'all just bear with me, man. This thing coming together. I appreciate all y'all, man, who tune in to these videos. Y'all already know, man. Got a lot of love for y'all. I appreciate the love that y'all be showing me. To the new subscribers, man, thank you so much. Y'all make sure y'all tune in. Got a lot of content coming up. When this boat is done, man, back on the water, man. Back to fishing, man. Can't wait, y'all. But I want to thank y'all so much, man, for everybody who subscribed to the channel, man. Tell a friend. You know, let a cousin know, let an uncle know. You know, let your kids know, man. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing but positivity on this channel over here. Trying to enlighten others on fishing. And, you know, just how to get out, man, and live life, man, and chase your dreams, man. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about out here, man. Trying to be an influence into someone else's life, man. So y'all make sure y'all hit them thumbs up buttons. Turn if you not subscribed, turn your, you know, subscribe to the channel. Turn all post notifications on, man, and, you know, keep rocking with your boy, man. You know, I ain't playing, man. It's going down for sure. All right, y'all. Third coat, man. Third coat. don't know if y'all can see it real good on camera, man, but like I was telling y'all, the texture of this black, man, is so, it's almost like if I could describe it in a fabric, man, it almost gives you like a suede look. That's the look and the effect that it gives me. If I think about a fabric. A nice soft suede, man. Is it stick a fork in them people?
Yeah, yeah.
Even if Embiid was here? Shit, stick a fork in that motherfucking ass then. Everybody balling, man. I like that shit, man. It ain't just one nigga.
I love it.
It ain't just Jimmy fucking Butler, bro.
Oh, you doing the bottom of it?
The back, the transfer part.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then I'm on.
Even my Butler, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro.
Everybody doing it. I got some ginger ale.
That's good. You already know that's good for me. Yeah, man. I love it. I fucking love it, boy. Got the 6th man of the year.
Now
Hero.
Hero.
Yeah.
You present your shit to the courts and say, you know, you invented this, that, and the other. You trying to bring the black man to the point. They started doing that.
Exactly. But they narrative a bit, dog.
They always got a fucking pass here.
Of course they got to. They got to do that.
That's the sickening part about it. Because at the end of the day,
What they say? Deception is key, man.
deception is key. Deception is freaking key.
Get what? They just playing chess, man.
Bro,
It's they fault,
You think
but
I could take
it-
I could take my bumper off on it and paint it like this.
Hell yeah, nigga, you tripping. I'll help you do that bit. It ain't but a bunch of some screws and some clamps.
Some screws and clamps, right?
That's it, bro. No, for the shit that I've been doing on this boat, you know what a shot would have charged a nigga?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
A leg, an ankle, a toe.
Sanding alone.
Yeah. Just
Alone. How I sanded this bit?
Yeah.
You remember I sanded it twice.
You sanded twice, right?
I sanded it. The paint that was on here before, what Lies put on here,
Yeah.
I sanded that off.
Off. And then you came
And
back
then
and sanded it.
I primed it. Then I sanded it again.
Right.
Now, they gonna charge you for that?
Yeah.
That bumper shit ain't nothing. That's easy.
Yeah, that's it.
Jack the front of that motherfucker up, bro, and I help you with it, boy. All you gotta do is let me know. I help you with it.
Okay.
Tape your shit off. Matter of fact, you ain't even gotta with the bumper. You ain't gotta take nothing off. Cause the only chrome pieces you got on there, them two things, them pop out.
They pop out.
The chrome things pop out.
Yeah,
So you ain't get a little sand, get some sandpaper.
Yeah.
Wet sand it. You can make that you can make that. You can do the hood and all.
Right.
You can make that probably a $50 or $60 job.
Yeah.
$50, $60 job, bro. Don't send nobody that don't do nobody, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You do that yourself, bro. I will help you do that, my brother. I love doing this shit, bro. Cause guess what? Bro, this be my, boy. You don't know, boy, this be my time for me to, this shit be life reflecting type shit, boy, for me, boy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting here doing this shit, yeah, boy, it be tiring and it be like, boy, but trust me, bro. I just hope you see, man. I'm just trying to lead by example, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, bro? And I ain't trying to be no leader. I'm just, I ain't about that. You understand what I'm saying, bro? Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get niggas to win, bro. The different type of money. I be telling lies that shit all the time, bro. And you know I be telling you that all the time too, bro. We got to dream bigger, bro. We can't be no box out here, my nigga, doing the same shit over and over again, bro. We deserve better, bro.
We deserve way better, man. Way better than what we get and what we doing.
And that's all I'm in pursuit of, bro. At the end of the day, man, that's what I'm in pursuit of, bro. You know, seeing money and 100,000, 10,000, 50,000, 20,000, 100 here.
Yeah.
You know, however it comes.
Right.
That shit good, but at the end of the day, we gotta see millions, dog.
See millions, man. Gotta see millions.
Tens of millions.
Tens of millions. Hundreds of millions.
It's out there, bro, for us.
Yeah.
This the shit that we gotta tell ourselves. We kings, man.
Yep.
This shit was meant for us.
Right.
Alright, y'all, let y'all see it, man. Got the back of the transom painted up, man. There's 3 coats of that Rust-Oleum 2-time primer. It's not fully dry yet, but there's 3 coats of Rust-Oleum primer, man, and a 2-time primer and paint. Flat black. I know y'all ready. Y'all see some wet spots and y'all see some dry spots, but man, it look really good. And that's what y'all gonna get, man. So next video, man, y'all make sure y'all tune in. We're gonna be painting the top cap of this boat. And you know, this thing gonna be coming together, man, taking on this identity, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it, man. This thing looks so good. I'm so happy and I'm so impressed by how this thing lay down, man. I know I said earlier, this flat black lay down, and it look like some smooth suede, man. That's the feel it give me, man, like some suede. If y'all ever wore suede, I don't know, pants or a shirt or anything, man, it's the vibe it give me. So, you know, man, y'all make sure, man, y'all tune in, man. I appreciate y'all, you know, clicking on this video, man. This boat is taking this transformation, man, and I'm so ecstatic, man. Can't wait till I paint this top cap of this boat, man. It's going down, y'all. Y'all lay around for it, man. Y'all already know Fishing with Nate, man. If you're not subscribed, man, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Click the bell notification, turn it on all, and hit that like button, man. Share the videos, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna get plenty more from me, man. Fishing with Nate, man. Y'all already know, man. It's going down as usual, man. So y'all stay tuned. See y'all when we paint this top cap of this boat, man. Love y'all, man. Y'all already know. Peace, baby. Yes, sir.